Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain you how to use TradingView tool as a charting tool and apply super trend strategy to trade stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or whatever you prefer to trade. It's a pretty simple strategy by which you can do swing trades or short-term trades. It gives you signals when to buy and when to sell. So it's pretty simple. Let's go and find out how we can apply the chart. So this is a simple day chart. It's marked on a day setting. I can simply go on indicators, and indicators you can type in super trend in the search box, and you will see all the super trend strategies listed over here. I personally use this strategy, which is super trend V3 with alerts. I'm going to simply click on it and it's going to be deployed on the screen. Now, it basically shows two trend lines. Red line indicates that this stock is in a downtrend, and green line indicates that this stock is an uptrend. So you will see that whenever the line shifts from red to green, the trend converts and starts going up. This is exactly when a buy signal, which is this green line, green arrow, up arrow, it appears over here, and you will see a down arrow appearing when the trend changes, and that's the indication when you should buy and when you should sell. All right. Now, just to eliminate some noise, what we're going to do is just optimize this super trend. So very simple. You just go into the settings and click the cogwheel over here. First thing you do is change this to factor 2 and PD5. I'm not going to get into the details of why we're doing this, but we're trying to optimize the chart to give us better signals. Then go to the style sheet and simply uncheck bar color, uncheck super trend line if you wish. I personally prefer it unchecked, but I'm going to just keep it on just for the sake of this video. You can uncheck up arrow, down arrow, and on the entry, up entry and down entry arrows, I prefer that you use a color other than the color of your candlesticks over here, so it doesn't mixes up, and it's more visible for you to see it on the chart. So personally, what I'm going to do is my personal preference is changing it to white. That's it. And this one, I'm going to change this to orange. So what this indicates that whenever there is a buy signal, I'm going to get an up arrow, and that color of that arrow is going to be white. And whenever there is a sell signal, I'm going to get an orange downward arrow. All right. Let's click OK and apply it. And there you go. Yep. So now you can see that your super trend has been applied. As I mentioned before, now it's more optimized. You will see buy signals, the up arrow, which is the buy signal appearing over here, followed by a green trend line following the trend, which means that it is an uptrend. As soon as the trend converts, the line is going to turn red, and you will see an orange down arrow appearing, which means that's when you need to sell the stock. So pretty simple. This is how you need to apply this and read the signals on the chart, and you can pretty much trade any stock or any ETF or commodity or forex using super trend. I'm going to get into more details on how to use super trend in my next video, but just to cancel out the noise and some false signals, I personally use super trend with a MACD indicator. So simply go on indicators, write MACD, click on moving average convergence divergence, which is MACD, and you will see MACD being deployed over here at the bottom of the chart. Now you can use both MACD and super trend together to make your buy and sell decisions, and 80% of the time it works very well and gives you a good signal on how to trade, and you can make your decisions based on this chart. By the way, the chart works on any time frame. So right now this has been set for day. I can switch to a 4-hour chart or a 2-hour chart or a 1-hour chart or even a 5-minute chart if I want, and I can trade any stock based on super trend. I'm going to move back to day, and here you go. You can later on, if you wish, you can hide this if you want. So you can just simply click on the eye icon and it will hide your super trend right here. This is how you customize it whenever you want. If you want to change colors of your bars and all that, you can always go in and change them from here. If you want to just remove super trend, you can remove by pressing this remove button over here. And if you want to add it again, simply go in your indicators, type super trend, and you can deploy super trend again. Same thing with MACD. You can always remove MACD by pressing this button over here and remove it from your chart. That's all for now. Please see my next video on exactly how to use super trend in a more optimized way for your day-to-day trading strategy. Thank you very much.